Welcome back. This is Dr. Abid Soni, and we are going through the 555 communication practice session. I hope you guys are enjoying all this. And I'm getting a lot of comments and messages, and I'm very happy to see that you guys are working on that. So let's go to the first activity of the day, and that is tongue twister. So the tongue twister of the day is can a can as a canner can a can. Can a can as a canner can a can. So it is written with all the screen distance, just copy it, learn it, and send it to me as usual. So the structure that I'm going to discuss today is very amazing and very beneficial to all of you. At the end of the structure, I'm just going to ask few sentences to all of you, and I hope you will be able to answer me. So the structure of the day: क्या राजा क्या गरीब सबको मरना है. Whether the poor or the rich all have to die. क्या लड़का क्या लड़की सभी एक जैसे हैं. Whether the boys or the girls all are equal. So dear students, if you want to translate this kind of sentences, and I have a question for all of you: क्या शिक्षक क्या विद्यार्थी सभी मेहनती हैं. Let's move to the next structure, and the next structure is वह कभी हंसता है कभी रोता है. When he laughs, when he cries. वह कभी आता है कभी जाता है. When he comes, when he goes. So dear students, if you learned this, I have a question for you. वह कभी सोता है कभी जगता है. So please, I'll be waiting for your answer in the comment box. So the last person of the day is listening and writing practice. The person whom we want to suggest today, is Sasi Tharoor. The speciality of this personality is he speaks and he uses beautiful words. An amazing word collection he has. So it is really going to be beneficial for all of you. Just watch carefully and write one page for the practice. Stay connected with English Station, because here you get complete English solution. Love you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.